Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell your items on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, to begin selling on Temu, what you need is a seller account. Once you have a seller account, you can put your items up for sale through it, and then people can purchase them from the Temu site. Now, what you need to do is open up a seller account on the Seller Center. Just go to the Seller Center main page and click on sign up, and I'm not going to go through it because it requires some verification, which I cannot do well within the scope of this video, but I'm going to go through the steps on the FAQ. Now, what you need to do is you need to enter your business information. If you own a business, it can be either a corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship, and those are the types that are accepted. You also have the option to join as an individual seller, which I think most of you will want to do. Now, step 2 is to provide your seller information, and this includes your certificate type, the address, and the seller name, and then you need to set up your Temu store. Once all of that is done and once all of your verification is done, you can open up the store by adding the name, logo, and contact information, and then you just need to complete the verification process, and then you can start selling. Now, as for the documentation that you need, for individuals, you need full legal name, citizenship, date of birth, place of birth, residential address, government issued ID, and ID expiration date. Same goes for the beneficial owners, legal representatives, or executives of the company that are opening up the account. And for business applicants, you also need your business type, the business name, the employer identification number, and the registered business address. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.